back again with another exciting video. Today we are going to look at the Yeezy 380 Mists. Super excited. I ordered these from Goat on Sunday. I did the instant ship, which is a lot more expensive, but I really wanted to get these in hand. Deciding if I need 3 sets of Yeezys and which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm going to sell. Currently have the Desert Sages up here, and then I also have I have the Desert Sages right here, and then I have the Cinders right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so we have the 380 right there. These shoes I will most likely keep because they are unique, but we'll see how they fit. So we're gonna look right here. We have men's size 10.5, Yeezy Boost 380 Mists. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. All right. Wow, these are a lot different than what I actually anticipated. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the other headlight on so we can see this a little bit better. Give me 1 second. This is the shoe. Okay, not what I was kind of expecting. They look so much different in person than what you see online. Wow. Yeah, these still look nice though. I mean, they are different, and like the laces look so much different online though. They're more like a tan sand color. And to me, this kind of looks like, I don't know, like a dinosaur, like a raptor kind of just scratched it, and then you have this like in the middle. Now these are the non-reflective pair. So, although they're supposed to be the most comfortable, and I'm gonna put that to the test and compare them to the V2s, for example. So let's take out the other pair here and kind of see that. I mean, they are very nice. Yeah, obviously you cannot wear these with everything. I really do like this cream sole. It is very nice. The material is a lot different, or the prime knit, you would say, is a lot different. Ooh, inside here you have this really nice padding though. That looks really, really comfortable. I'm really excited to try that out. These are the 380 Boosts in the mist color, the non-reflective. The only difference between the reflective is this part's gonna be reflective and the price is gonna be about $100 difference. I personally didn't want to pay that price. Obviously right now people are not going to be wanting to, that noise every time. People are not going to want to shoe shop right now with the current economic status of our country with the whole virus, and I don't blame them. So after putting them on, I am kind of disappointed. So I was actually expecting a lot more from this shoe. A lot of people said that it's like the most comfortable shoe in the world, and I got these in my true size, and people said they run true to size, you know, because these two pairs have ran true to size. This pair, no. This pair, it says 10.5, does not run true to size. When I walk, my foot feels cramped. My foot when I walk goes all the way to the tip. These do not feel that comfy whatsoever, even though they have more boost. And when we look at it though, since in the Desert Sage we can technically kind of see how much boost is in there. I mean, there doesn't seem to be that much of a difference in boost. I mean, just a little bit more. I just don't see the hype. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to sell these back. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Let me know if you're gonna cop one, or if you're gonna stick with the V2s, or if Yeezys just aren't your shoe type. I think I bought these for $265. They're not that much, they're not selling well right now, but that makes sense with the virus going on. So you can still get a pretty good price on them. So thanks for tuning in, and I'm gonna be putting up later this week, probably Friday, an on-foot review of the Yeezy Cinders. So thank you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you guys next time.